DS Diving Service here. That's Dane. It is May 4th, 2023. We are at the 33-foot Sea Ray Sundancer with twin out drives. I'm going to get a bit of video before we get it cleaned up. We'll look at our anodes too. Let's take a look. Observations. It looks like it is hard paint. It does look like it's already chipped in a few areas. The anodes on your drives still have plenty of meat. I would not recommend replacing them yet. I did notice that your AC strainer grate on your water pickup, the grates are broken. That could possibly be what's going on with your AC. Maybe you're picking up some stuff. There is a little bit of a lift to the port side of the vessel. It could just be the way that you have it provisioned. I am going to go ahead and look up the other side, and then I'm going to get her all cleaned up. And I'll put my recommendations in the after video. One more recommendation. These trim tabs do not have any anodes on them. I do think that's a bad idea. I think allowing us to come out with an underwater drill some holes, brush off the paint on those things, and put some R3 anodes would protect them a lot longer. Let me check to see if there's one big grounding anode in the middle of the boat out front.